Hi everybody, it's Amy. So I thought today we'd do something a little bit different. We're going to clean out the fridge. And guys, I'm not one of those people that's going to make it look super nice before we do it. Like, let's have a real, what does it look like in my fridge video? It's a mess. There's cereal in the refrigerator. There's cereal in my fridge. It's a mess. So we have to clean, and then we got to use what we have. Look at this. Look at this bacon just shoved in there. Okay, what is wrong with me? I've got the coronavirus blues. All right, let's see what we can throw away. This cream cheese is old. It's got to go. Oh, how are we going to do this? Hold on. I'm not used to filming these videos. Okay, these pickles have been in the back of the fridge so long. Look, my refrigerator's old. Don't judge me. Look, it doesn't get more real than that. So gross. My sodas, I can take that off. Some of this I'm going to have to put the camera down for. Listen, I have a thing about buying sour cream, and then I buy it, and then I buy it again because I don't think I have any. Okay? What else we got in here? Jellos. We got a couple string cheese left. I don't think we need the bag. Do you think we need the bag? Probably not. These are so good. We got the Walmart one. Oh, here's a coupon. Here's a coupon in the fridge for Doritos. Okay. Exposing yourself. That's what this video should be. We have some Lunchables. That one's... No, stop it. Oh, that one's larger too. Anybody relying on the Lunchables while the kiddos are out? Again, don't judge. We've got ham. Is that even sealed? Don't act like you all seal everything perfect. I have OCD about so many things, but the fridge tends to be... Oh no. Oh no. These little things came with the free lunches they're getting from school. Okay. We have a bag of salad that we really need to use up because when's the last time we went grocery shopping, guys? It's been a while. What are you doing? What are you doing back there? I bought this because butter was super expensive, but there's one, and there's some eggs. I think there's two of those. Well, there's these eggs. Oh, there's the other egg. Oh, I hear the judging. We got some open cheese. If you guys didn't see my breakfast video, I did it on my second channel. All right, I should probably have applesauce. Oh God, this celery. Oh no, look. Oh, what happened to you? Apparently, well, because my freezer's full right now, so it's probably running too cold. You poor thing. I'm gonna have to look when I do my grocery hauls and I have the price on there. Told you, I'm gonna have to make soup or something because I have the... I can't just let the celery go to waste. Luckily I have a compost pile, and I have little hands that may have grabbed a carrot, so this is open, so I can use the carrots and celery and do some kind of 322. I'm going to make boiled eggs. Maybe I'll make deviled eggs. Because we all know about the egg thing, right? With the expiration date. It's still good after the expiration date. What's today? 25th or 26th? I have cheese. What do we have over here? My favorite dressing. Some barbecue sauce that can go. It's old. I bought this one because it was cheaper than this one last time. Gotta use that one first. So good. I got some cheese. Then I got this little cheese because I thought I didn't have that cheese. I thought that cheese was gone. It's a mustard. This was that Aldi dressing. It's okay. I got beets once because I heard they're really good for you. I think I ate them once. This is old. We should have ate that quicker. The cereal. Look at this, $2.99. My videos. I'm gonna have to take all this out and clean it. I'm just showing you what I got. Are you a Miracle Whip or Hellmann's type of person? Here's the ranch from the Aldi. I don't think that's needed. Ketchup. Like, I like these squirt containers, but like they don't stay up that way in the fridge. Maybe they do. Alright, never mind. Oh, I got this from Aldi. We did use it once. It was, no. That's gotta go. This A1 is super old and it's like full. Rude. Some syrup. Some old pickles. How long do pickles last? We're gonna get rid of them. Alright, let me organize this a bit, clean it up. I'll be back. So they say that you can grow celery from celery, so I just cut off the tops. The bottom was still really healthy. So I had some dirt in this planter, so I decided to put this in here and see what happens. I'm gonna leave this on my stove when I'm not cooking so it gets a lot of light, because right now there's not a lot of sun coming in. Put a little water in there, so let's see if this does anything. Better than throwing it away. If it doesn't work out, I can always put it in the compost pile, but I figured I might as well try. Okay, so I have my eggs boiling so that they don't go to waste. I think I might make a little potato salad and some egg salad. And then I'm going to show you guys what I did with the bottom of the celery. So the celery that I didn't use, I just threw in my compost. Put the lid back on there. You can leave the paper towel in there. It's not really going to hurt it. I can't wait till it's warm enough to put worms in here. So here's how much I decided to keep. I'm going to put it in my egg salad and my potato salad instead of making a soup, because I'm not really in the soup mood. I hope that grows. We'll see. Okay guys, it's nothing fancy, but it's cleaner. All the garbage is taken out of the refrigerator that doesn't belong there. I organized the drinks a lot more efficiently on the bottom, took the plastic wrapping off. Now I am using some random pan to put my potatoes in because they were in the bottom and I forgot I had them and I need to use them. There's a lot of them. So I don't have the ability to go to the Target or the Dollar Tree right now, so we're using a pan. It's called being efficient with what you have. Using what you have, guys. We're gonna have some of that salad tonight. It's askew in the fridge, like to the left more, because it's holding up those 2 bags of cheese. The salad was staying up, but the cheese didn't want it. It was like, no, I want to lay down, I'm tired. Margarine, my 2 things of eggs, my celery that I cut up, tomatoes. I got the carrots there, and I found a bag of block cheese, and it's perfectly fine. That's why it's good to clean out your fridge, guys. You never know what you have. You guys pretty much saw the top. I had to take it out, and I had to use the bleach. And then I just put the bacon in here. Yums on the bottom. So this is the stuff on the right that we got to kind of use up real quick. And then I just put the butter in there. Just, yeah, took the cereal box out, but I left the cereal in there. So that's pretty much it for the fridge. It's cleaned up. It's good enough, guys. It's good enough. Now we got to do this. This really won't be that bad. Listen, being in the house, why is it that when you're in the house you're lazier than when you have to go out of the house? Do you ever notice that? Like, if you have to be in your house all the time, you just get lazier as far as putting stuff away. Maybe because you know you have more time to clean it up later. I don't know. This is not. Don't pretend you've never done this. Don't pretend there's never been a bag in your refrigerator that hasn't been sealed up properly, because that's just not true, especially if you have kids. Oh, look at this. See what I'm saying? Especially when you have kids. What do we have? Let's see how bad it is. Hold on, I'm not a professional filmer. Well, these are pretty. I think we're good to throw these away. We'll give them to the birds outside, or the squirrels, or what have you. What do I got in here? Oh, I got these hash browns. Yum. We've got an unopened box of the Eggos. So let's put those up there. We got 2 boxes. Actually, I'd prefer to put both of those in the same space. Oh my filming is so amazing. If you have kids, you have chicken nuggets. Oh, so gross. Let's organize at least, okay? You want me to take all this out and clean it? Can you tell I'm not sleeping well? I'm like tired over nothing. I'm not even exerting myself. Chicken carbonara. Oh my god. Carbonara. This has a lot of garlic in it. It's good, but just be prepared. I had bought a couple of these. We have one. Oh, what's in the back? What are you hiding back there? Hold on. Hold on. Hold up. What do we have? Dang thing. We got a pizza. We're keeping the pizza. Don't judge me. Pork chops that I was supposed to repackage and I didn't, but I will use them because I'm not gonna waste meat. Not right now, that's for sure. These are thick cut pork chops and those are thin. They need to start making these so that you don't have to freeze them. Because like, are you really saving money if you gotta then buy freezer bags? Rude. Oh, don't fall. No, we're not doing that today. All right, let's see. Hold on. I'm getting something from the top. We have French toast sticks. I'll put those right there. We have some mini corn dogs. They haven't been opened, so I don't know what that's about. We haven't eaten those yet. Oh, that's upside down. I bet you can't wait till I can go back to the stores. Golden Crispy. We got whatever here. Aldi. Oh, these were good. We got 2 of these. We ate one. They're good. So let's put all our frozen potato-y things up here. I feel judged. It's okay. It's fine. I need clips. Nature's Promise chicken breast. These are all individually packaged, so that's not a huge deal that that's actually open. And then I kind of went crazy with because listen, you get nervous and you buy whatever's available. Okay? Salisbury steak meal, sweet and sour chicken. We bought 2 of each. This I like, this meh, but kiddo likes it, so. Works, it works, it works. Stay in there. And then I just got a bunch of, that's shepherd's pie. That wasn't that good. Don't buy that Blake stuff. I mean, it wasn't horrible, like it's edible. It's really tiny, it's not that great. Stouffer's, roast turkey, chicken fettuccine alfredo. Got a few of those, because those are good. Chicken parm, meatloaf. We had the spaghetti ones already. Those are so good. I don't know, what's on the bottom? Just regular fettuccine alfredo. Believe it or not, this has been sitting here for like a month and it's like half full. We don't really eat it that much. So I'm gonna throw that away because it's probably frostbitten. My favorite ground beef. I have 3 of these left, which is awesome. Don't be yelling at me to clean this. I'm organizing first. Okay? Oh, I can't get a phone call while I'm trying to film. That's rude. Got some broccoli left. We'll leave that in the door. Hold on. We have one of these from the Dollar Tree. Oh, that gives me... I want to go to the Dollar Tree so bad. So bad. And then we have like... where I actually did Ziploc meat up there, but I'm not impressed. 2 of these. They can go. Bye-bye. So I just got some meat up there, and then I have some rice, veggies. It's the cauliflower. This was from Dollar Tree too. So I'll put it here so I remember to use it. Alright, now that you've pretty much exposed me for everything in my refrigerator, I'm gonna go now. Maybe I'll clean this, maybe I won't. What do you guys think? Leave a comment. Did I clean the freezer out? Or did I just leave this stuff in here just the way it is? What do you think? Still got plenty of food though, so that's good. I was hoping I needed to go to the store. The Like I wanted an excuse to go. I don't have an excuse to go. Alright, I'll talk to you guys down in the comments. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever you prefer. YouTube loves either one. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.